really common thing I see with a lot of different clients or people I interact with is they're constantly searching for more and more information. Or a lot of them, I've even had contact me and say, I find your posts really helpful. And the big challenge they have is actually having time to implement any of the changes or things that I'm talking about. So one thing I'd recommend doing is try reading less and looking for less information, and instead focus on, are there any really small things that you can make time for, or that you don't need to make more time to actually improve and start heading in the right direction. So I'll use myself as an example. One that I have done in the last few months is trying to eat fish once or twice a week. And simple as that. It doesn't require any more time or effort on my part. I'm cooking something, I'm going to eat it anyways. But it's a little step that isn't going to make a huge difference. But if you keep looking for small things like this, you can start heading in the right direction and seeing things improve a little bit more and a little bit more. That's a big thing we try to do with clients, is help them see, well, what are the small steps I can do to start heading in the right direction without it being this huge, overwhelming thing that's really hard to make that change stick.